Hey, welcome to Fanatical Siderider. My name is Roland. Today I'm going to be showing you these Kemimoto mirrors. I have the side mirrors and I also have the Kemimoto rear view mirror. And I've been using them for a little while now. I've been out on quite a few rides, and these Kemimoto side mirrors, I'm really happy with them. Not only are they a really good design, I like how they bend. You see how they bend around? They bend in and out this way. So let's say you're backing up on a trail and you get close to the trees, a tree will come along and hit it like this. That's what happened to me. Or if you're running into a tight trail forward, your mirror will come in. So that's pretty cool, because the stock mirrors, you'd end up breaking them off if you hit it this way. So it's good to see that, you know, you have something versatile like this, so that if you do get into a tight spot and you hit your mirrors, they won't break. When I got this Kemimoto windshield, I realized that my stock mirrors that were down about here would not fit anymore. So I got the Kemimoto side mirrors because they go up higher up here. And I found out that that's a really good thing, because when I'm driving, this sometimes when the stock side mirrors were here, it would act like a blind spot for me if I'm at an intersection or a stop sign, or even in the woods, and you know, you want to make turns and you can't see vehicles coming, because that mirror was a good size and it was sitting here in my way. So it really didn't do me any good. I had to be extra careful. But with these, I can see really well. That blind spot is gone. Now bringing you in closer, you can look at the design of them. They're really nice looking, right? They're not huge, but they're big enough. And like I said, they move all certain ways. That way, and oh yeah, this way as well. So yeah, they're pretty nice mirrors to be able to do anything with them. The mirror part is big. Like, I mean, that's a good size. Like, it's not huge, but I mean, it's big enough. That's what I meant to say. And they're made of very strong material. And I've tightened these up with some rubbers here, and they've never come loose, not yet. And I've hit them with trees, so they haven't come loose. We'll come around, look at the right side mirror. Same thing, exact same thing. Great looking mirrors. I'm really happy with them, actually. Now let's look at the Kemimoto rear view mirror. I know it's a bit dark out here. I made a video earlier and the sound didn't work, so that's why I'm redoing the video. But here's the rear view mirror. It's pretty wide. I think it's a little too wide. If it was maybe this long, that would be good enough. I think it's 15 inches across. And the reason why I think it's a little too wide is I had it more over towards the driver's side, but I kept banging my helmet off it. So I moved the mirror over this way. And now when I have a passenger, when I do have a passenger, they're banging their head off it, because I've also angled it. You see how I have it there? It's angled like this, so that when I'm sitting there, it reflects this way, just like your car. And it's easy to assemble as well. It has very strong mounts. You can mount it different ways. You can raise it or lower it by those thumb screws. And also you can move these brackets here, slide them either way, and you can adjust that mirror just about any way you want to. It's very strong made, and it does its job. Like, I mean, I have a lot of things here hanging. I have the Kemimoto storage bag hanging. I have this Kemimoto soundbar here in my way, but I managed just to see perfectly out through here, and that's all that matters. Yeah, out through here, I meant to show you. But how often do you use a rear view mirror in a side-by-side anyway? Like, you're out in the trails, you're looking ahead of you most of the time. So like in all my product videos, if I'm talking about a product, I usually leave links where you can find these products. They're down in the description below this video, and I also put them in the pinned comments of videos. So you'll have no trouble finding links where you can go look at these mirrors or the side mirrors or any product I do videos on. And with that, I want to thank you for watching again, supporting the channel, and we'll see you on the next video.